In this video, I'm going to show you 9 assets that can make you rich and never work again. These are assets that generate passive income, appreciate in value, and provide financial security and freedom. These are assets that anyone can acquire, regardless of their income, age, or background. These are assets that can help you achieve your financial goals and live your dream life. So what are assets? Assets are things that you own that have value and can produce income or increase in value over time. Assets are the opposite of liabilities, which are things that you owe that cost you money and decrease in value over time. Assets are the key to building wealth and achieving financial freedom, because they allow you to make money while you sleep, without having to work for it. Assets are what separate the rich from the poor and the middle class. But not all assets are created equal. Some assets are better than others when it comes to making you rich and never work again. Some assets require more time, money, or effort to acquire or maintain than others. Some assets have more risks, taxes, or fees than others. Some assets have more potential for growth, income, or appreciation than others. So how do you choose the best assets for your financial situation? Well, there are many factors to consider, such as your risk tolerance, your time horizon, your income level, your expense level, your net worth level, etc. But in general, there are some common characteristics that make an asset a good choice for making you rich and never work again. These characteristics are: 1. Passive income. Passive income is income that you earn without having to actively work for it. Passive income is money that comes to you automatically or regularly from your assets. Passive income is the best type of income because it frees up your time and energy for other things that matter to you. Passive income is also more stable and consistent than active income, which depends on your skills, performance, or availability. 2. Appreciation. Appreciation is the increase in value of an asset over time. Appreciation is money that you make by holding or selling your assets at a higher price than what you bought them for. Appreciation is a great way to grow your wealth and protect it from inflation or depreciation. Appreciation is also more tax efficient than income, because you only pay taxes when you sell your assets, and you can defer or reduce your taxes by using strategies such as long-term capital gains, 1031 exchange, etc. 3. Financial security. Financial security is the ability to meet your financial obligations and needs without having to worry or stress about money. Financial security is money that gives you peace of mind and confidence in your financial situation. Financial security is also the foundation for financial freedom, because it allows you to cover your essential expenses and save for your future goals. 4. Financial freedom. Financial freedom is the ability to live your desired lifestyle without having to work or depend on anyone else for money. Financial freedom is money that gives you choice and flexibility in your life. Financial freedom is also the ultimate goal of money and finance, because it allows you to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want. So based on these characteristics, what are the 9 assets that can make you rich and never work again? Well, there are many types of assets that can fit these criteria. But here are some of the most common and popular ones. Asset number 1. Stocks. Stocks are marketable ownership stakes in a company that may be purchased and sold on a stock exchange. One of the most easily accessible and lucrative forms of investment. Stocks have the potential to enable you to retire rich and never have to work again. Through the distribution of dividends, which are payments made by companies to their shareholders out of their profits, stocks have the potential to provide passive income for investors. There is also the possibility that the value of the stock will increase over time as a result of the growth and increased worth of the company. A diversified portfolio, an increase in net worth, and the creation of different streams of income may all be accomplished with the help of stocks, which can bring financial security and freedom. Asset number 2. Real estate. Real estate is a type of property that includes both land and buildings and has the potential to be used for either residential or commercial purposes. One of the assets that has the greatest potential to make you wealthy and enable you to retire from your day job is real estate. Rental income is money paid to landlords by tenants in exchange for the use of the landlord's property. Real estate can be used to produce passive income through rental income. In addition, the value of real estate may increase over time if it is perceived as having increasing scarcity or desirability. Leveraging your existing funds, boosting your income flow, and building equity through the purchase of real estate can help you achieve financial independence and freedom. Asset number 3. Business. Organization. A company can be defined as an organization that sells products or services to consumers in exchange for monetary compensation. One of the most creative and fulfilling assets that can make you wealthy and free you from ever having to work again is a business. Profits, the money left over after all the costs of running a business have been paid, can be a source of passive income for owners of businesses. Passive income can be generated by businesses. The growth of a firm and the increase in its profitability can both lead to an increase in the value of the business over time. Creating your own brand, expanding your potential income, and adding value are all ways in which running a business can help you achieve financial independence and freedom. Asset number 4, online course. Students pay for access to a digital product known as an online course, which is designed to teach them in a specific skill or field of knowledge. An online course is one of the assets that has the greatest potential for growth in terms of both profitability and scalability. And it has the ability to enable you to become independently wealthy. Sales, often known as the money that clients pay in order to access your online course, can be a great source of passive income for an online course. An online course may also increase in value over time if the instructor continues to provide new material and otherwise enriches the experience for students. Your ability to leverage your expertise, grow your audience, and make an impact may all be accomplished through the creation of an online course. This can offer you with financial freedom and stability. Asset number 5, book. A written product that is sold to readers in exchange for financial compensation in the form of a tale or message is known as a book. A book is one of the few things that will never go out of style and has the potential to make its owner wealthy beyond their wildest dreams. Royalties are payments made by publishers to authors based on the number of copies of their books that are sold, and they can be a source of passive income for authors. The number of people who read and recognize your work can cause an increase in the value of your book over time. By capitalizing on your creativity, boosting your credibility, and leaving a legacy behind, writing a book can help you achieve financial independence and freedom. Asset number 6, podcast. A show that is broadcast online in the form of an audio recording and offered to listeners in exchange for financial compensation is known as a podcast. A podcast is one of the most cutting-edge and entertaining forms of media that can make you wealthy and allow you to retire from your day job. Through sponsorships, which are payments made by advertisers to promote their goods or services on a podcast host show, a podcast has the potential to create passive income for its host. There is also the possibility that the value of a podcast will increase over time as the host builds their audience and reputation. Utilizing the power of your voice, expanding your network, and producing content through the medium of a podcast can help you achieve financial independence and freedom. Asset number 7, YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is one of the most popular and fun assets that has the ability to make you wealthy and eliminate the need for you to ever work again. It is also one of the most valuable assets. The use of advertising, which are payments provided by YouTube to creators in exchange for the right to display advertisements on their videos, has the potential to generate passive money for a YouTube channel. This cash can be collected by the channel owner. The value of a YouTube channel could also go up over time if it becomes increasingly popular and draws an increasing number of subscribers and watchers. Your ability to use video, your ability to enhance your exposure, and your ability to create content that is entertaining can all be accomplished through the use of a YouTube channel. And all of these things will help you attain financial independence and freedom. Asset number 8, blog. A website known as a blog allows owners to communicate their ideas and opinions on a specific topic or field with readers. A blog is one of the assets that offers the most flexibility and versatility, and it has the potential to make you rich so that you never have to work again. Through affiliate marketing, which is when you earn money by suggesting products or services to your readers that you already use or enjoy, a blog has the potential to produce passive revenue for its owners. When you put time and effort into growing your brand and your authority, the value of your blog may increase over time. By capitalizing on your writing abilities, expanding your audience, and developing something of worth, a blog can help you achieve financial independence and freedom. Asset number 9, software. Software can be defined as a program or application that, in exchange for financial compensation, assists users in solving a problem or delivering a service. Software is one of the most cutting-edge and profitable assets that can make you wealthy and allow you to retire from your day job. A product has the potential to create passive income through the sale of subscriptions, which are payments made by customers in exchange for continued usage of the product. The continued development and enhancement of software can also result in an increase in its market value over time. By capitalizing on your coding talents, expanding your customer base, and developing innovative solutions, you can achieve financial independence and freedom through the development of software.